Hello neighbors! We're back with another video. This time we're doing Dairy Queen and they have a couple new blizzards. One is Pecan Pie.
And I got sea salt Toffee Fudge.
Yeah, so we're about to try them. I'm a big southern food fan, so when I saw the pecan pie, I was like, ooh boy, I gotta try that one. Ooh boy.
Ooh boy. You didn't say pecan.
Pecan pie, that's how I say it. Is that the right way?
Well, you said you like southern food and then you said pecan instead of pecan.
That's true. They do say it like that. Or if you're from the South, maybe put a comment down there and let us know if we're saying it the same way you do. 'Cause we don't want to speak for you.
True. Yeah. But
even though a lot of people up north probably do with the whole
true.
North-South thing that's in the history of our country.
It's true. Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to take a bite of this. I'm tired of talking.
Yeah, I want to eat my blizzard too, but I'll let you go. I like how yours has whipped cream on it.
I do too.
I'm jealous of the whipped cream. I should ask for whipped cream on mine. So is it just like pecan pieces?
Yeah, it tastes exactly like pecan pie. Pecan.
Try mine.
Pecan.
Mmm.
Pecan. I think that's how Gordon Ramsay says it.
Yeah. Oh, this is good.
Yeah. This totally tastes like pecan pie. You got me all jacked up. Because right before I say pecan, I almost said pecan. Pecan. It's funny.
That's funny. So this is like kind of like a salted caramel-y taste with toffee pieces, and the fudge is very delicious. Want to try mine? I'll try yours. Please.
Yeah. Has this got dark chocolate in it?
I don't think so. It's just like the fudgy.
I like toffee, man. Toffee's good. I think toffee's like underrated.
It does like really just tastes like the pie, like is like kind of ground up in the blizzard. Because you know how pecan pie, it kind of has that brown sugary kind of taste or caramely type of taste.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I like that gooey part of pecan pie. And you kind of get that a little bit, I think, with this.
Yeah.
The whipped cream, all of it that's mixed together. They did a good job.
This one's really good too. You do get some nice hits of the salt. So the like caramely kind of spots are really very, very sweet, but it's good. And like Greg said, I think toffee is really underrated. Like, I'm a big Heath Blizzard fan. So I really like that. So I knew I would probably really like this. But guys shouldn't be sleeping on toffee because it's delicious.
Yeah, it's one of those things where you're like, why don't I get this more? Every time I put it in my mouth, I like it.
Yeah.
Anyway, Dairy Queen, new blizzards, pecan pie, and
Salted toffee fudge.
salted toffee fudge. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.